Hi! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to make this revolving carousel automata. If you like this craft, please support this channel by clicking the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share. So, let's get creative, shall we? For this craft, we'll be using 800 ml plastic jar, 3 pieces art card, corrugated board, some A4 colored papers, a paper plate with 18 centimeters in diameter, wooden chopsticks, 3 pieces drinking straws, pencil and colored marker pens, 1 pipe cleaner, ruler, glue, pointed scissors, and your regular craft scissors. Let's get started. First, take the plastic jar, remove the lid, find the center, and poke a hole in it. The hole should be big enough to insert a chopstick. Trim the excess for a flat surface. Put back the lid and close it. Measure 3 centimeters from the cover and mark the jar. Then use a pointed scissors to poke a hole on the marked area. Test it out if the chopstick can be easily inserted and rotate inside the jar. Add some color to the tip of the chopstick to mark the inner part of the jar. Make sure that the chopstick is straight. Put it aside and we're going to make the wheels. Take the corrugated board and draw 2 circles with 4 centimeters in diameter. Then make another 2 circles with 5 centimeters in diameter. Then cut out all the circles. Add some glue and stick the 2 circles together. Then take a colored paper and cut a ½ centimeter strip and stick it around the circle. Using a hot glue, make some tiny bumps around the side of the 4 centimeter circle. We'll only do this on the small circle. Let the glue dry and harden. Using a cardboard, cut 2 pieces of 3 centimeters by 2 centimeters. Find the center and poke a hole on one cutout. Then take a drinking straw, measure and cut 3½ centimeters. Take the cut out and insert the straw into the hole. Pull out at least ½ centimeter and apply glue on it. Then stick the other cut out to cover it. Then cut 2 small circles to make 2 stoppers. With the wheels completely dry, find the center and poke a hole on each wheel. Take a chopstick, measure and cut 14 centimeters. Remember to keep the small piece of chopstick for the handle. Then take the smaller wheel with the bumps. Make sure that the glue bumps are completely dry. Insert the chopstick into the hole of the wheel. This is to mark the placement of the wheel. For this to work, it doesn't need to be at the center. Apply some glue on the sides of the hole to secure the wheel. And insert a stopper on one side. Take the cutout with a straw and apply some glue and stick it on the marked area of the jar. Put it inside the jar, inserting the other side into the hole and the other side into the straw. Take an art card and cut 3 centimeters by 4 centimeters. We need 2 pieces of these. Find the center and make V cuts in the middle. You may also trim the sides. Apply some glue and attach the handle. With the handle facing out, attach it to the chopstick wheel. Apply more glue and stick the other cutout together. Apply some glue to the stopper and stick it to the jar. Take the remaining circle and insert the chopstick into the center. Measure and cut 2 centimeters of drinking straw. Apply some glue to hold the chopstick and the wheel together. Then put the short straw into the chopstick and insert the chopstick into the jar lid hole. Close the lid and test it out. Now let's start making our carousel. For the roof, fold the paper plate into 4 parts and mark it with a pencil. Then draw a small circle in the center. Cut along the pencil lines, but stopping before the middle circle. Apply some glue, overlap about 1 centimeter, and stick the 2 sides together. Gently fold it into half and cut the sides into curve. And snip about ½ centimeter into each corner. And gently fold it in one by one. This carousel roof is about 13 centimeters. To cover the roof, take a colored A4 paper, trace around the paper plate, and cut it. We need 2 pieces for the top part and inside part. Fold the circle into half and then fold it into 3 parts and cut it. Apply some glue and stick it one by one on the roof. Turn it over and do the same thing. Then trim around the excess paper if needed. To make the roof sides, take an A4 art card. Make 2 strips of 4 centimeters. For the scallop edges, measure 4 centimeters for consistent size. For the revolving platform, measure and cut 2 pieces of circles with 14 centimeters in diameter. Apply some glue and stick them together. To cover the platform, trace and cut on a colored paper. And cut thin strips of paper to cover the sides of the platform as well. Now take the platform and find the center and make a hole on it. Now take 2 straws and a pipe cleaner. Connect the 2 straws together and insert the pipe cleaner inside the straw. Shape it into a circle and connect the edges together. Apply some glue and attach it to the revolving platform. This is to make the platform steady while rotating. To hold the platform to the pole, let's make a center pole. I have here a 3 cm by 6 cm card paper. Snip at least 1 cm apart. Roll it, add glue, and stick it to the pole and to the platform. Wait for the glue to harden before testing it. To cover the pole, cut half of an A4 colored paper and roll it into a stick. The stick should have enough space in the middle for the pole or the chopstick to fit. This is about 18 centimeters. Take the platform cover and make a hole in the center. Apply some glue to the platform. Put the cover onto the pole and put the cover of the pole. Apply some glue and make sure that the pole and the cover are attached together. Cover around the sides of the platform using the paper strip. To make the horse ball, get an A4 colored paper and cut it to 4 parts. Then roll each piece into a paper stick. Trim the edges of the sticks. These sticks are about 17 centimeters. Add some color by cutting strips of colored paper and twirl it around the poles. Just created our horse poles. Then cut some paper card to cover the lid of the jar. Now let's make our horses. Or you may also download the template from the description below. For a 2D effect, let's cut 4 pairs of horses. We just made 8 horses. Now we can add details to our horses. The details for each pair should be identical. Now that we're done with the horses, let's make the passengers. You may also find a template in the description below. Now let's add some colors using marker pens. Cut out the images and add some colors at the back. Cut the slit on the legs to ride the horse. Just completed the horses and the passengers. We can now assemble the parts all together. Start by measuring and marking the placement of 4 horse poles. Apply some glue on the pole and stick it on the marked area. Let's test it out first and bend the edge of the horse pole that we will cut later. Since we're okay with the length of the horse pole, we can now add some glue to connect the roof to the main pole. Apply some glue only on the upper body of the horse. You can slightly bend the legs and give some shape. Attach the horse to the pole as shown and stick the pair together. Add some glue on the passenger's leg and stick it to the horse. Then we can now attach the roof sides on the carousel roof. clean look, I thought of adding a strip of white paper around the sides of the platform. And we can also cover the red plastic lid with white paper. And finally, I cut a strip of 15 centimeters of paper card and I rolled it. We're going to place it on the top of the carousel's roof. And there you have it, your very own DIY revolving carousel automata. I hope you had fun making this crafty dust today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.